Hello, this is the Inner Planets read along. I will read it to you and please listen and you can read along on your own copy. The word solar is used to describe something that is related to the sun. For example, solar energy refers to the heat and light that comes from the sun. Planets and other celestial bodies that orbit the sun make up what is known as the solar system. The only thing these 8 planets have in common is the fact that they all orbit the same sun on their own special path. Beyond that, each planet is unique. The first 4 planets you will learn about are called the inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and the smallest of the 8 major planets in the solar system. Mercury can be seen from Earth, but it is hard to spot. You can only see it in the early morning or early evening. Most of the planets in the solar system are named after Roman gods and goddesses. The planet Mercury is named after the Roman god Mercury. In mythology, the god Mercury was very fast, so it makes sense that this planet is named after him. It takes just 88 Earth days for Mercury to complete a revolution around the sun, so it is a quick little planet. Unlike Earth, Mercury does not rotate much. It spins on its axis just 1.5 times during its revolution around the sun. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is named after the Roman goddess of love. Aside from the sun and the moon, Venus is the brightest celestial object that you can see from Earth. It takes Venus roughly 225 Earth days to revolve around the sun. You should recognize the planet in this photo. It's your home planet, Earth, the 3rd planet from the sun. Earth is the only planet that does not take its name from a Roman or Greek god. The word Earth is an ancient word that originally meant ground. One of the most important factors that sets Earth apart from other planets is the abundant supply of water. Water is essential for life. Without water, there could not be any living thing like people, plants, or animals. Although some other celestial bodies in the solar system have some water, Earth is the only planet whose surface is mostly liquid water. Earth is also the only planet with an abundance of oxygen in the air, and oxygen is also essential for life. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. Mars is often referred to as a red planet because of its color. You can see Mars from Earth, and even without a telescope, you can identify it by its reddish tint. The farther you get from the sun, the colder it is, and the longer it takes to complete a revolution or make one trip around the sun. It takes Mars 687 days, Earth days, to revolve around the sun. It is interesting, though, that Mars rotates on its axis at about the same speed as Earth.